If you want to close Google Chrome without losing your tabs, this quick setting is exactly what you need. In this video, I'll show you how to make Chrome reopen everything exactly where you left off, so you can close the browser normally and come back to all of your tabs later. This is a simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time if you work with lots of websites, research pages, or online tools. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look up at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu. Click that menu to open Chrome's main options. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can change how the browser behaves when you start it up again. On the left-hand side of the settings page, find the option called On Startup. Click it. This is the section that controls what happens every time you open Chrome after closing it. Now, you'll see a few choices. To make sure your tabs come back after you close Chrome, select Continue where you left off. Once you choose this option, Chrome will remember your open tabs and restore them the next time you launch the browser. Now, you can close Google Chrome normally by clicking the X button in the top right corner. You do not need to save anything manually. Chrome will take care of it for you in the background. When you're ready, reopen Google Chrome. You should see your previously open tabs return automatically, just like before you close the browser. That means you can stop and start your browsing session without worrying about losing your work. If you ever want Chrome to stop restoring tabs, you can always go back into the On Startup settings and choose a different option. But for most people, continue where you left off is the easiest and most useful setting. So that's how to close Google Chrome without closing your tabs. It only takes a few clicks, and once it's set up, it works every time. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.